फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल जॉब सर्च गुरु फॉर यू। आज की इस वीडियो में हम डिस्कस करेंगे इस वीक की कुछ ऐसी जॉब्स जो कि हैं रिलेटेड टू डेटा एनालिटिक्स डोमेन। अगर आप एज अ डेटा एनालिस्ट कहीं पे वर्क कर रहे हैं, लुकिंग टू स्विच द जॉब और यू आर टू स्टार्ट अ करियर एज अ फ्रेशर और एज एन इंटर्न, देन दिस वीडियो इज अ मस्ट वॉच फॉर यू। वीडियो में हम आगे बढ़ेंगे अपने लैपटॉप स्क्रीन पे और देखेंगे कौन कौन सी कंपनीज, किस लोकेशन में कंपनीज हैं, व्हाट आर द टेक्निकल स्किल्स एंड एलिजिबिलिटी क्राइटेरिया दीज कंपनीज आर लुकिंग फॉर। But इससे पहले for my new audience, let me introduce myself. My name is Harish Singh. I'm a blogger, a YouTuber, and a job search consultant as well. And I've almost 8+ years of experience recruiting people for different skills like Power BI developer, business analytics, data analytics, SQL developer. So if you do not want to lose out any single opportunity related to these domains, do subscribe this channel right away. Follow my Instagram page and my Facebook page as well. और मेरे इंस्टाग्राम पेज पे ऑलरेडी चल रही है एक डेली जॉब अपडेट की सीरीज, जहां मैं आपको प्रोवाइड करता हूं डेली बेसिस पे 2 से 3 जॉब्स अलॉन्ग विद एप्लीकेशन लिंक्स। सो डू चेक आउट माय इंस्टाग्राम पेज एज वेल। बढ़ते हैं अपने लैपटॉप स्क्रीन पे और देखते हैं कौन कौन सी जॉब्स हैं, क्या क्या स्किल्स हैं, लाइक पाइथन, सीक्वल, पावर बीआई, हाउ मच एक्सपीरियंस दीज कंपनीज आर लुकिंग फॉर, और कैसे आप इन कंपनीज के लिए अप्लाई करते हैं। और जो भी जॉब्स हम रिव्यू करेंगे अपने लैपटॉप स्क्रीन के, उन सभी जॉब्स के एप्लीकेशन लिंक्स आपको मैं प्रोवाइड कर दूंगा अपने डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स पे। अब वीडियो आगे बढ़ाएं उससे पहले जस्ट अ स्मॉल रिक्वेस्ट, अगर आपको वीडियो पसंद आता है, मेरे कंटेंट पसंद आता है, इंस्टाग्राम फेसबुक पेज के कंटेंट पसंद आते हैं, या इस वीडियो में दी हुई जानकारी पसंद आती है, आपके लिए जॉब्स हेल्पफुल है, then press the like button and share this video as much as you can to your needy friends. If you have any feedbacks, any suggestions, then definitely you can comment in the comment box. अब बढ़ते हैं जॉब की तरफ और देखते हैं कौन कौन सी जॉब। लेट्स जंप टू द लैपटॉप।
फ्रेंड्स, आगे अपने लैपटॉप स्क्रीन पे और देखते हैं कौन कौन सी जॉब्स हैं, किस लोकेशन में जॉब्स हैं फॉर द रोल ऑफ डेटा एनालिस्ट। तो अगर आप एज अ फ्रेशर जॉब सर्च कर रहे हैं या एज एन एक्सपीरियंस प्रोफेशनल जॉब सर्च कर रहे हैं, देन दिस वीडियो इज अ मस्ट वॉच फॉर यू। वीडियो पूरा देखिएगा, कहीं भी स्किप मत कीजिएगा, बिकॉज कई बार रोल्स एंड रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज और टेक्निकल स्किल्स के पॉइंट अगर आप ओवरलुक करते हैं, देन इट कैन लीड टू रिजेक्शन ऑफ योर जॉब एप्लीकेशन। तो वीडियो कहीं भी स्किप मत कीजिएगा। वीडियो आगे बढ़ाएं उससे पहले जस्ट अ स्मॉल रिक्वेस्ट अबाउट माय इंस्टाग्राम पेज जॉब सर्च गुरु फॉर यू, जहां पे आपको मिलते हैं 2 से 3 जॉब्स डेली बेसिस पे अलॉन्ग विद द एप्लीकेशन लिंक। तो अगर अभी तक आपने चैनल फॉलो नहीं किया है तो देन डू follow it right away. अब बढ़ते हैं जॉब्स की तरफ। फर्स्ट कंपनी इन द लिस्ट इज मिंत्रा, हायरिंग फॉर डेटा एनालिस्ट, एक्सपीरियंस 2+ years, लोकेशन इज इन बेंगलुरु, सैलरी 6 to 9 lakhs per annum, education बैचलर्स इन कंप्यूटर साइंस, स्टैट्स, मैथ्स और रिलेटेड फील्ड इन द डोमेन। अबाउट द रोल, end-to-end ownership of analytical problems, data integration and building a data warehouse for automation the business intelligence system, building templates, dashboards and operation and management reporting, project execution with manager, senior manager, while gradually taking more ownership of business forecasting. So these are some roles and responsibilities for the job post. And if I'll talk about the technical skills, strong knowledge of SQL, strong fundamental knowledge of programming tools such as Python, preferred R, strong hands-on experience of MS Excel, knowledge of visualization tool, Power BI, Tableau, QlikView, knowledge of statistics and experience using statistical package for analyzing large data sets, strong analytical skills with the ability to collect, organize, analyze, and disseminate a significant amount of information with attention to detail and accuracy, and ability to thrive in fast-paced startup environment. So these are some roles and responsibilities and technical skills this company is looking for. And if you are interested for the job post, you can click on this link which is available in the description box. Let's move to the second job post, which is for the company named BLACKROCK, hiring for data analyst associate, experience 1 to 3 years, location is in Gurgaon, salary 5 lakhs per annum to 9 lakhs per annum, and education bachelor's of master's degree in computer science, machine learning, data science or related field. And roles and responsibilities for the job post: understanding of on-prem data landscape as well as external unstructured data, deploy, develop and maintain, optimize and automation data pipeline at a scale, be involved from inception of projects, understanding requirements, designing and developing solutions and incorporating them into design for our platforms, mentor team members on technology and best practices, contribute to the open source community and be a student of technology, data and cloud concepts. And technical skills for the job post: passion for engineering data-centric performance system, experience with cloud-native platforms, experience working in a multidisciplinary environment, working knowledge of building and deploying distributed system and scaling algorithms for ETL on unstructured data and unstructured data, experience with building data pipelines with Python, hands-on experience in data engineering or related engineering practices. So these are some technical skills for the job post, and if you find yourself fit for the job, you can click on this link which is available in the description box. Third job is for the company named NEODOVE Technologies, hiring for data analyst intern. So if you are looking for an internship role, then you can apply for the job post. Experience 0 to 2 years, location is in Bangalore, education degree in computer science, maths or stats, salary 3 to 5 lakhs per annum estimated. Roles and responsibilities: understand basic objectives and design data analysis plans to support them, collect, process and cleanse data from multiple sources using various methods such as SQL, Excel or Python, create data visualization to communicate findings to non-technical audience, design and implement reporting dashboards to track KPIs, write technical specification for ETL jobs and collaborate with engineers to implement them, support ad hoc data requests from business users, document all work thoroughly in accordance with company guidelines, and adhere to confidentiality agreements and protect sensitive information. So these are some roles and responsibilities for the job post. And if I talk about the technical skills, proficient in advanced Excel and SQL, experience working with data visualization tools such as Tableau, Power BI or similar, attention to detail and accuracy, experience with Python or R, experience with statistical analysis. So these are some roles and responsibilities. And if you're interested for the job post, you can click on this link, which is available in the description box. Let's move to the fourth job, which is for the company name COFORGE, hiring for data analyst, experience 0 to 2 years. Location is in Noida. Education bachelor's degree in CS, maths or stats. Salary 3 to 4 lakhs per annum. Roles and responsibilities: the individual would primarily need to extract data from multiple data sources like ServiceNow, WebEx, Contact Center, and Calibrio, analyze large and complex data sets to identify trends, patterns, and insights to support business objectives, work on automation and integration of reports on different platforms to support business objectives, design and create visually compelling reports, dashboards, and interactive data visualization using Power BI and Tableau, and conduct exploratory data analysis and develop statistical models to uncover insights and support decision-making processes. So these are some roles and responsibilities for the job post. And if I'll talk about the technical skills, what you need to have is a strong experience in Power BI, experience in Excel, using Excel and Python for data cleaning, pre-processing, integration, and transformation tasks. And if you are interested in the job post, you can click on this link, which is available in the description box. Let's move to the fifth job, which is for the company name Accenture, hiring for data and modeling analyst, experience 1 to 2 years. Location is in Pune. Education bachelor's, master's degree in stats, maths, analytics or related discipline. Salary 3 to 4 lakhs per annum. Roles and responsibilities: data handling, including extraction, cleansing, profiling, mapping, validation, and modeling. Slice and dice data to bring actionable insights. Leverage statistical technique to create solution to support business with advanced analytics. Integrate the outcomes from various analytics techniques to provide insights beyond the obvious and present the findings in a polished way. And some technical skills for the job post: familiarity with any programming language, Python or R. Familiarity with BI reporting tools, Power BI, Tableau, ClickSense. Process working knowledge of techniques like regression, time series, forecasting, decision tree, and proven background and experience in at least one research methodologies, statistical techniques, survey data analytics, text analytics, and predictive modeling. And overall, 1 to 2 years of experience in analytics and modeling in multiple domains: HR, finance, market research, with hands-on experience in data handling and analytics-driven decision making. And if you are suitable for the job post, you can click on this link, which is available in the description box. Sixth company in the list is the SmartQ, hiring for data analyst, experience 2 to 4 years. Location is in Bangalore. Education bachelor's degree or higher in computer science, stats or mathematics. Salary 5 to 9 lakhs per annum. What you need to do as a data analyst in this job is collect and analyze large sets of structured and unstructured data from various sources, including internal database, market research, customer service, and more. Clean and transform raw data into useful format for analysis using tools like SQL, Python, R, or Excel. Interpret data analysis results and present key findings to inform business strategies and recommendations. Collaborate with cross-functional teams and stakeholders to understand their data needs and provide actionable insights. And some technical skills for the job post: strong analytical skills with the ability to collect, organize, analyze, and interpret complex data from various sources. Proficiency in SQL, Python, R, or other programming language commonly used for data analysis and statistical modeling. Experience with data visualization tools such as Power BI, Tableau, or similar. Further knowledge of machine learning techniques. Excellent problem solving skills with the the ability to present findings and recommendations in a clear and concise manner. A strong attention to detail and the ability to work independently while managing multiple projects simultaneously. So these are some required skills for the job post. And if you're interested for the job post, you can click on this link, which is available in the description box. The seventh company in the list is S&P Global, hiring for data analyst associates, experience 0 to 2 years. Location is in Mumbai. Education bachelor's degree, preferably in finance, data management, computer science, or economic discipline. Salary 3 to 6 lakhs per annum. Roles and responsibilities: ensure that the data universe is maintained in accordance with the internal procedures and industry best practices. Manage reference data, stock, company and exchange information, and price related data sets. Review and resolve exceptions in QA process. Ensure that share and free float information are researched, validated and entered in our database, and then supporting evidence is retained, and investigate and respond to all data related client requests within SLAs, work with direct manager and leadership team to maintain proactive management of client escalations, issues, and other items that require special handling. So these are some roles and responsibilities for the job post, and if you are looking for any fresher job, then you can apply for the job post. Required skills: 0 to 2 years of experience in relevant field, process on open mind, and be flexible and able to adapt to changing priorities. Programming skills and experiencing preferably in Python, VB, or SQL would be a plus. Excellent skills in Microsoft Excel and other standard office software, and must be able to work independently as well as global team environment. And if you're okay for the job post, you can click on this link which is available in the description box. So friends, these are 7 jobs for this week for the role of data analyst. Do press the like button if this video is helpful, and let me know your feedback in the comment section, and share this video to your needy friends as well. Thank you very much for watching the video. Have a great rest of your day.